Hey guys, we are back with a quick tip that will enhance link sharing on your iPhone. Most of us know that we can easily share links using the share sheet on iPhone. But sometimes sharing just the link is not enough. Sometimes you might want to draw attention to a specific paragraph of the article. Did you know that Safari lets you share quoted text file sharing links? The only catch is that you have to use the Messages app to do so. In this guide, we'll show you how to include quoted text when sharing links on iPhone via Messages. First, launch Safari and open the web page you want to share. Now, long press on the text you want to quote and use the drag handles to select it. Hit the share button at the bottom. If it's not visible, scroll the web page to reveal it. Choose the Messages app and you will see that it has included the quote with the link. You can also add a note of your own. Choose the contact you want to share it with and hit the send button to send the link with quoted text. And that's about it. You can now share links with quoted text on iPhone. If you want to enhance your link sharing experience, watch this video next to find out how Arc browser is innovating the link sharing space. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.